Hard disk versus SSD. Which one is better? Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. Today, we're going to learn about two very important things, hard disk and SSD. These are used to save all your files, photos, videos, and software permanently on your computer. Let's learn the difference between them in a very simple way. What is storage? Storage means the place where your computer saves everything permanently. Even when you turn off your computer, all your files stay saved. Think of storage like a cupboard in your home. You keep all your important things inside it, and they stay there even when you leave the house. What is a hard disk? HDD. HDD means hard disk drive. It is the old and traditional storage used in computers. Inside a hard disk, there are small circular disks that spin very fast. A tiny arm moves over these disks to read and write your data. It works just like an old CD player. The disk spins and the arm reads the data from it. Hard disk is cheap and available in very large sizes like 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte. But because it has moving parts inside, it is slow and can get damaged if you drop your laptop. What is an SSD? SSD means solid-state drive. It is the new and modern type of storage. SSD has no moving parts inside. It stores data on memory chips, just like a pen drive. Because there are no moving parts, SSD is extremely fast, silent, and very strong. SSD is more expensive than hard disk, but it makes your computer feel much faster. Most new laptops today come with SSD already installed. What is the difference? The biggest difference between HDD and SSD is speed. With a hard disk, your Windows takes 60 to 90 seconds to start. With an SSD, Windows starts in just 10 to 15 seconds. When you open any software or app, SSD opens it almost instantly, while hard disk takes a few seconds more. Hard disk is cheaper but slower. SSD is faster but slightly more expensive. Hard disk makes a small humming sound when working. SSD is completely silent because it has no moving parts. Which one is better for you? If you want your computer to be fast and smooth, choose SSD. If you need a lot of storage space at a low price, choose hard disk. The best option is to use both together. Use SSD for Windows and your main software so everything runs fast. And use hard disk to save your movies, photos, and videos because it gives more space at a lower price. Simple real-life example. Think of hard disk like a bicycle and SSD like a motorcycle. Both will take you to your destination, but the motorcycle is much faster and smoother. If your laptop feels very slow, replacing the hard disk with an SSD is the single best upgrade you can do. Your laptop will feel completely brand new. How to check what you have? To check if your computer has HDD or SSD, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Then click on Performance, and then click on Disk. It will show you whether your computer has HDD or SSD. Closing. So now you know the difference between hard disk and SSD in a very simple way. SSD is fast and strong. Hard disk is cheap and big. Use both together for the best experience. In our next video, we will learn about monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.